Meaning of Liberty Bonds.
Liberty bonds.
Liberty Bonds.
Liberty bonds.
Liberty bonds. Liberty bonds were bonds issued by the U.S. government during World War I and World War II to finance military operations. These bonds were marketed directly to U.S. citizens and were seen as a way for people to contribute financially to the war effort. The bonds had a range of maturity dates, interest rates, and denominations, and were largely successful in raising the necessary funds. The term liberty was chosen to evoke patriotic sentiments and promote the idea that buying these bonds was an act of support for the country's freedom and democracy.